ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वति नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम् ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तमा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः 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 First I will clarify your doubts, Rajat.
Yes, Guruji.
The message what you sent.
Yeah.
Aham Ishwaram Pujayami. That is simple. Aham Ishwaram Pujayami. I write here. All right, yeah. Aham Ishwaram Pujayami. What is the meaning?
I worship God.
Aham Ishwaram Pujayami. Karmani would be Aham Maya Ishwaraha Pujyate.
Correct.
So it is a simple. Fine. Here, who is the Karta?
I.
Aham Karta, Ishvara is the object. Pujayami Sakarmaka Dhatu, therefore Ishvara the object, Aham the Karta. Karmani Prayoge Karta Karta is not Abhigita. Anabhigita Karta Tritiya. Abhigita Karma Pratama. Maya Ishvaraha Pujyat. So there is no doubt in this. Now, the next thing is Aham Kevalam. Your statement. Aham Kevalam Devasya Chintayan Ichchami. Now, question here is Aham Ichchami. Aham is the Karta. Chintayan also Pratama Bhakti. Chintayan Aham. I just place it here as an adjective. Chintayan Aham. I who think. Right? I who think. Only. What do I think? I who think Devasya. Desire. Now, I who think Devasya. Desire. Okay. Now, this part Aham Ichchami is okay. That part is Chintayan Aham. Now, Chintayan and Devasya. What connection is that? For
The
Chintayan,
act of,
Chintana Kriya, karma is Deva.
correct.
Then how can it be in Shashti?
Because the act of thinking is related to God. So that can be
Related
not,
to God,
we are thinking about God, right? So
God
the
is
thing,
Shashti Bhakti then. Chintayi, ask the question. Chintayati, kaha chintayati, aham chintayami. The next question, kasya chintayami? We don't ask. What is kasya chintayami? Of what you think? No, we cannot translate it in English like that. Object of chintayami, of chintanam must be karma. So aham devam cannot be devasya.
okay. So
Or
why not
devasya particular guna, if you think devasya daya or some particular aspect, then tam devasya, then you can use devasya, swarupam, something like that possible. Devasya can be connected to karma, but devasya itself cannot be connected to chintan. There's no, the sentence is not correct.
Okay, got it.
Because you use the word related to God, you want to put it in Shashti. That's not correct. Act of thinking is related to God, yes. Related means it's samandha, not literally it's not samandha. Devasya swarupam chintayan aham ichchami. That is fine. That is I want to think only of the swarupa of the Lord. I want to think of the swarupa.
So it should be related to the
Karma.
object. Okay.
Devasya, if you use, then particular aspect of the Devash must be there. Okay. So this is what it is.
So Guruji, but why here we are using Devam, why not Devaha? Because in the first example,
Where?
in Karmani Prayoga, we said Ishvaraha Maya Pujyate, we wrote. So now in this third one, we are using, instead of Devaha, we are writing Devam. So why the difference?
You're asking this exercise?
Yeah, the same example only. If you can just undo what you are doing.
No, undo is, where is that? There is no Devaha, right? Where is Devaha?
No. We are using Devam. Why not Devaha? That's the question.
Where is
Maya
Devaha?
Ishvara, you can say second one, Maya Ishvaraha Pujyati. So here Ishwaram has become Ishvaraha.
Okay.
So why in the third one we are writing Kevalam Devam only we are writing?
There is Devam.
Deva. No, you just now said.
Okay. Devam.
Uh,
Kevalam Devam Chintayan Ahan.
Chintayan.
It means you are asking the same question for this exam. Whether this example or this, what we are doing is same.
Yes.
It's the same thing. Here this, see, the object of Chintana is Devam. Devam Chintayan Aham. It is similar to what we have done. Grihapa, so many examples already we have seen like that. It's not, if you see.
No, sorry, Guruji. I'm sorry. I'll just rectify my question. So this, the third one which we wrote in Karmani Prayoga, so that will become, we are writing Deva instead of, we are writing Devam there. Why not Deva?
It means you're asking the same question. What is about this exercise? What we have done.
Correct.
Then what is Karmani Prayoga? What is, that must be clear. What is Karmani Prayoga? What is Karmani Prayoga? In fact, I want to think only of God. We are compelled to use here Shatranta because that is exercise. Otherwise, we can just simply say Aham Devam Smartam Ichchami. It will do. But anyway, whatever the meaning conveys. So we want to use Shatranta. Therefore, we use Shatranta here. Aham Devam Smarami, Aham Ichchami. So Aham Devam Eva Smaran, Aham Ichchami. This sentence you understand?
Yeah. This is fine.
Devam Eva Smaran. Here, then why you say it is Devam is?
No, not the next one, Guruji.
No, why I'm asking? Yeah, answer. Why it's Devam? Why not Devaha?
Because this is active voice, so the object will be in Ditya.
Active voice with regard to this Smaran and Devam. What is an active voice? What is
With,
Kartari Prayoga?
with reference to Aham, it is active voice.
No.
Huh.
What is Kartari Prayoga? What is Karmani Prayoga? This is Kartari you say. How do you say Kartari? Because Devam Smaran is there, that's Kartari? No. Ichchami is
Aham,
in, no. Ichchami is the Kriya Padam you see. Here the Mukhya the Karma the Kriya is Ichchami. Ichchami is that Pratyaya is Parasmai Pada Pratyaya. Therefore, Aham Ichchami is Kartari Prayoga. Maya Ishyate Karmani Prayoga. If it is Karmani, then we have to use Atmane Pada Pratyaya or Shanach. Shanachin is present participle, Shanach Pratyaya, we have to use Atmane Pada Pratyaya. So that is Shanach Pratyaya will come in place of the present that another Kriya what is simultaneously happening. Here there is no Shanach. So here only the Mukhya Kriya alone is changed. And why do you touch this? This remains untouched. Now I give another example. See, this is Karmani Prayoga. Karmani Prayoga, therefore Atmanepada Pratyaya. The rule is in Bhave Prayoga, Karmani Prayoga, Atmanepada Pratyaya will come to the Dhatu. What are Atmanepada Pratyayas? That must be clear. Ta tam ja, ta sa tam tam, it vagimahi. What are the Lakara? Lat Lakara, te ite ante, se ite dve, ye vagimahi. And with regard to participle, we have two participles are the Shatra and Shana. Shatra for Kartari and Shanash for Karmani. Shanash for Karmani. So here because Maya Ishyate, I'm not changing here, I'm not using Shanash at all. I'm using same Shatra only. So therefore the other part will remain as it is. So that we cannot change. Devaha eva smarta, then it becomes a problem.
okay. So, in other words, Guruji, so what you're saying is we are using active participle only, so that is why the Devam will remain Devam.
Devam will
Is that
remain
the
Devam.
correct?
Yes. Yes. That will
Is that the
remain
correct?
Devam only.
Okay.
That's why I'll give another example. I've written another example.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Now we got it.
So take this example. Lekanya grihe grihapatam karoti. Ramaha. Right? Ramaha then Mukena Geetam Gayat. I want to use some Karaka. That's a Mukena Geetam Gayat. Now joining this and making it using Shatra participle. So Mukena Ramaha Mukena Geetam Gayat. What does it do? Grihapatam Kurvan Grihe Grihapatam Kurvan Ramaha Mukena. This sentence is clear. Lekanya by the pencil. It's a Karaka. Lekanya is the Karana Karaka Grihe in the house. Adhikarana Grihapatam Karma Kurvan Ramaha Mukena Geetam Gayati. Right? For Krudata, all these Adhikarakas. It is in present participle, it is Kartari. Now Karmani would be Ramena Mukena will be there. That will not change. This is Kartari Tritya, this is Karana Tritya. Karana will remain as it is. Geetam Giyate. Ramena Geetam Giyate Mukena. And Kurvan will become Kurvata. Kurvata Ramena. Then we ask Kim Kurvata Ramena. Grihapatam Kurvata Ramena. It will not become Grihapataha. Grihapatam Kurvata Ramena. Kim Kurvata Ramena. Not Kaha Kurvata. Kim Kurvata Ramena. Grihapatam Kurvata. Grihapata is Pullinga. Grihapatam. It is still remained as it is here. Karma here also Karma. Grihapatam Kurvata. Because this is not Karmani here. If it is Karmani, then the Karaka referring to this. If it is karta, then if it is tritiya and karma will be in pratama. This is not, this kurvata is shatru. It is not in, it's not, that's not, it is not karmani. Because tritiya is there, it is not karmani. I think that is why the confusion is. Chatranta, if it is tritiya is there, then we think it is karmani. No. Karmani shanach is different. In karmani, we use shanach pratyaya. That is why I give another example also. So kurvata, the fourth sentence will be like this. Now, using shanach, I have given the same example. Lekanya grihe grihapatam karoti ramaha. Ramaha mukhena geetam gayati. Now, lekanya grihe grihapataha kriyate ramena. I converted this into sentence with a karmani prayer. Ramena mukhena geetam giyate. Karmani. Now joining both. Ramena mukhena geetam giyate. What? Kriyamanena. Grihapataha kriyamanena. You see grihapataha, which is in pratama vibhakti. Because here there is karmani is there. How do you know karmani? Yak is there. And shanach pratyaya use karmani shanach. We have not seen, we will see that. Therefore, lekanya grihe grihapataha kriyamanena ramena geetam giyate mukhena. So here grihapataha, karma is in pratama vibhakti because this part also it is karmani. Grihapataha kriyamanena is grihapatam karoti. Kartari. Main sentence is karmani giyate. Here also in present participles also we have karmani. Right? Therefore, karma will be in pratama. But not here. Here it is not karmani. Because the pratyaya is shatru alone. Therefore, you cannot make grihapatam into grihapataha. If you make this also grihapataha, then what is the difference between kartari and karmani? Does it become the karma is in pratama in kartari and karma is in pratama in karmani? Understand?
Yes,
The
Guruji.
logic. Yeah, that's what this will become meaningless. Therefore, what is kartari, karmani, that must be clear. Karmani is sentence is said to be in karmani when the, I'm talking in terms of pratyaya. When the pratyayas are atmanepada pratyaya or shanach. Main pratyaya will be, mukhya kriya will take the thing pratyaya. The other kriya will be in, it will take shanach pratyaya, participle. Because mukhya kriya alone, because mukhya kriya pada, therefore you must have thing pratyaya. Thing pratyaya must be in karmani atmanepada pratyaya. So by that only we know the sentence is passive. And present that the participle also, if you see, and if it is shanach, then it is karmani. It is here, it isn't a shanach. Sarvata, it is shatru only. The main sentence be there in karmani, it's okay. Mukhya kriya be there in karmani. With regard to that, ramena mukhena geetam giyate, fine. But here it is not karmani. This is therefore here with all the karakas with regard to that will be in as the same vibhakti as it was before. It will not change. Understand?
Okay.
If this is understood, then what we saw here also can be understood. Is it clear to all of you? This is
Yes.
karmani shanach. We have not seen yet. We will see. That is karmani. Karmani. It's called karmani shanach. Okay.
Guruji, the last question was when we introduced this topic, you said Shatranta we generally use when there is more than one action is performed simultaneously. So,
When two
is
actions,
it,
present participle is when two actions are performed simultaneously
okay.
by the same
But
person also. All right. Not be, I think. Okay. So, samana karta is not. Yeah, samana karta is not. If samana karta is required for tuman, not here. Yeah. Tell me.
so why I want to think only of God here, there is only one action. Why we are using
I
Shatranta?
want to, I desire is there, and to want also is there. And okay, I will think is there one kriya, and want also is there. Therefore, shatru is used. See, the exercise we want to use Shatranta. Otherwise, even if it is not that, we want to use Shatra. That's exercise.
Oh,
The sentence can be
oh,
translated into any way. And that's what we did in the beginning. Aham Devam Smartam Ichchami. What's the problem in that? It's fine. Meaning is I want to think only of God. Very Shatranta. If you use this, then we cannot do anything on this. We cannot convert this into a sentence having participle. So I deliberately no, we want to have we are using we want to have the Shatra in that sentence. Therefore, we we use the Chintayan. Chintayat as the participle and main kriya is Visaya. Chami. Okay.
okay, got it.
Then the next, I see the king looking at the flowers. So it's all very good exercises. So when the more you practice, the more you have the clarity
But
how the
Guruji,
language is.
Guruji, I have a doubt. Like when we use Shatranta for this example, the Vivaksha seems to change. Like, for example, the God thinking me desires. It feels like God thinking me is Visheshana to me. God thinking.
Not God thinking me. Where is God thinking me?
That is what we are writing, no? Devam Chintayan.
God, I who think God. Hmm. Okay, God thinking me. Understand? Okay. I mean, God is the object you're saying. Okay.
Right.
God
So,
thinking me want God. Okay. In English, you cannot do like that. But Saṃskṛtam, it is possible. Why not? We cannot. I who think God want God. What's wrong? Okay. So now you think whether you want Shatranta or not. I see the king looking at the flowers. The idea is we have to use Shatra Pratyaya. Okay. The meaning. I mean, otherwise we have to change the meaning as it is. Desiring God, I think. That's what I mean. That's what the word is. I mean, I desiring. I think God. I want God. I think of God wanting Him. Right. In English very difficult. That's why I desire to think of God. That two kriya is that want and think. Think is that therefore just use Shatranta and then try the sentence. That's the idea. Same sentence can be written without Shatranta, using tum or any other pratyaya possible. Shatra is deliberately used. Because that is the exercise we are doing. Okay, I see the king looking at the flowers.
Aham Rajam Pashyami.
Kriya is Pashyami.
Pashyami.
Aham Pashyami. Aham Nripam Pashyami. I see the king. And the king is what is doing?
Looking at.
That's why I said here we need not have this Samana Karta. The king looks at the flowers. The king who looks at the flowers, I look at him. I look at the king who looks at the flowers. So therefore Samana Karta is not there. Pashyami is for me. But what does the king do? He sees the flowers. Okay. Therefore, Aham Nripam Pashyami. Then what does the king do? He sees the flowers. Okay. You have that. You can translate that sentence and then you can join also. Aham Nripam Pashyami. But what does the king do? Nripaha Kim Karoti. Pushpani Pashyati. Right? Nripaha Pushpani Pashyati. I see him. So Aham Nripam Pashyami, this is main sentence. Right? So we retain that. Therefore, here what will happen? Pushpani Pashyan Nripam Aham Pashyami. Pushpani Pashyan Nrupam Aham Pashyami. For Pashyami, Aham Karta, and the object is Nrupa, who is qualified by Shatranta. And the object for that is Pushpani. Understand? Pushpani Pashyan Nrupam Aham Pashyami. Is it clear? Karmani would be, your main Kriya is Pashyami. That becomes Drishyate. Kena Drishyate, Maya Drishyate. Maya Drishyate. Then what will happen here? Pushpani Pashyan Nrupam Maya Drishyate only. Here Pashyan is not I am seeing, right? You see, this sentence is also another one. Pushpani Pashyan, sorry, Pushpani, not Pashyan, Pashyantam. Smita, here, not Pashyan. Pashyan means Aham Pashyan. Pushpani Pashyantam Nrupam Aham Pashyami. So therefore here also, Pushpani Pashyantam Nrupam Maya Drishyate. Maya Nrupaha, not Nrupam. Pushpani, one minute. Maya Drishyate, seen by me. I see the king looking at the flowers. Yeah. Nrupam Pushpani Pashyati, Aham Nrupam Pashyami. Aham Pashyami. Aham Pushpani Pashyantam Nrupam Pashyami. Just put it like this so that it becomes. So ye drishyate, Maya drishyate. Therefore, Pushpani Nripaha drishyate. And here it becomes. Yeah, Pashyan only. It's correct. Now here Pashyan. Maya Pushpani Pashyan Nripaha drishyate. You understand?
Guruji, in the Kartari Prayoga sentence, why is it Pashyantam?
Oh, it's karma.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
Nripa
Sorry,
is
sorry.
there. I put it here so that we'll understand. That's why I put like this.
Mhm.
Otherwise, because here it is proper to put like this. I should not put here because here Aham is not qualified by Shatranta. Here Nripa is qualified. See, the sentence itself is different. That is why I rearrange so that we can understand. Anyway, you can put it. The meaning should not change. Okay, that's what Saṃskṛtam is, right? But I deliberately put it here so that we understand. Aham Pashyami. Aham kam Pashyami. Aham Nripam Pashyami. Kīdrisham Nripam Pashyanta Nripam. Kim Pashyati Saha Pushpani. Tani Pashyantam Nripam. Aham Pashyami. Pushpani Pashyantam Nripam Aham Pashyami. Now, Karmani, if you do it, then Drishyate, Maya Drishyate, Kaha, Karma will be Pratama, Nirpaha. Corresponding to that, this will also become Pashyan. Pashyan is not Karmani. The main Kriya is Karmani. So, in keeping this, since it qualifies adjective, therefore, in keeping the substantive, it also becomes Pratama. And Pushpani is Karma, remains as it is. Right? Because it is Karmani, Rajaji. Do you convert Pushpani into Pratama Vibhakti? No, right? Even though Pushpani, the Pushpa Shabda, Pratama and Dvitiya same. Here Pushpani is what Vibhakti? Dvitiya only. Understand? It cannot be Pratama. Object is in Pratama here. So another good sentence this is. Here the Aham is not qualified by Shatranta. Here the very object is qualified Shatranta. So you should see all those things. Yeah.
Yeah, this Napumsakalinga only, it's a bit confusing.
No, that's it's not confused. That's why I gave the Lekanya, Grihapataha.
Because here we are changing the Nrupam into Nripaha. So previous example, the Devam remains Devam.
Meaning it's, see, here it is, previous example is I the Karta for both the Kriya. But here, I am the Kriya for seeing. And for looking at, there is another, I am the Karta for saying. And for looking at, there is another Karta. Okay, so it is not the another Kriya is done by me. Right? So here, I do only the Darshana Kriya. Yeah, I see the Dashana Kriya of the Nirpa, whereas Krishna, Nirpa is doing the Dashana Kriya of the Pushpa. So, in the previous example, for both the Kriya, Karta is me. But here it is not. For both the Kriya, I am not the Karta. Nirpa is the Karta for seeing flowers, and I am the Karta for seeing the Nirpa. So therefore, this is different from the previous sentence. So, therefore here, Pashyan Nirpaha and Pushpani is, even if it is Napumsakalinga, even if it is Napumsakalinga, we should be able to see, tell the Vibhakti. Here it is what Vibhakti? All are in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Right? All are Dvitiya Vibhakti. Yes or no?
Yes.
But Pushpani is not in Samanadikaranam with this. Pushpani is a karma. It is 2-3. Pashyantam Nirpam is the object. It is 2-1. Please see, this is 2-1. Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Only one king is there. Okay, not many kings. And for that, the qualifier is Pashyantam. That is also 2-1. For which this Kriya Karma is 2-3. But karma will remain as it is. That will not change. So now when I do into Karmani, Drishyate, Nirpaha becomes Pratama, right? Because it is, Pratama, right? Then what will happen to Pushpani? Pushpani will remain as it is. It will not change. This is still 2-3 only. It doesn't become, 1-3. It cannot become 1-3. That's why I said they are not in Samanadhikaranya. Only these two are in Samanadhikaranya because they have the Sambandha of Vishesha and Visheshya. This 2-3 karma, this is a karma for Pashya Kriya, Dashana Kriya. That remains as it is. You follow what I'm saying?
Yes, Guru.
Yes.
And the difference between the previous sentence and this sentence is, previous sentence, the same karta. Here karta is not same. I see the king who looks at the flowers. It's different. See different examples, different things. Only need to understand clearly what it is. Right? No. Future tense would be, I will see the king. Like, I will see the king who will be looking at the flowers. Who will look at the flowers? I will see the king looking at the flowers means who will look at the flowers? Because the Kala is future. Therefore, the king also will be looking at the flowers in future participle. So therefore, how that would be? Aham Pushpani Pashyami will become Drakshyami. I will see. What? Nirpa. Pashyantam will become same thing. Here also. Drakshyantam. Pushpani Drakshyantam Nirpam Drakshyam. Karmani would be Maya Drakshyate. Maya Drakshyate. Kaha Nirpaha. Kidrishaha Nirpaha. Drakshyan Nirpaha. Pushpani Drakshyan Nirpaha. Maya Drakshyate. Understand? Is it clear, all of you? Raja, do you understand?
Yes, Guruji.
So the sentence is Kartari or Karmani based on the Pratyaya which is appended to the main Kriya. And for the participle, if it is a Karmani Shanaj, then we can say the sentence is Karmani. Otherwise, not. Because we use Shatranta Tritiya. Not all are Shatranta Tritiya are Karmani. Not like that. Okay. This is Kartari Karta in Tritiya Vibhakti. Kartari Tritiya. But not, it is not Karmani Prayoga. Karmani Prayoga, you can say only when Shanach, Karmani Shanach or Mukhya Kriya, we use Atmanepada Pratyaya. Okay. That's a good point to be noted. See, unless we discuss all this, that also will not. No, we'll take Karmani as for granted, we'll go. These points will not come to, will not occur in our mind at all. Okay, the poet praised the hero conquering the enemies. Here also, different karta, but still participle, Shatra can be used. When we use Tuman only Samana karta, not for Shatra. We discussed this in the beginning itself. The poet praised the hero conquers the enemies. Main action is the poet praised. Kavihi Kim Krutavan. Praise is, you can use Ashlagata or any other word, Shamsati, Ashamsata. Any word we can use, your choice. Then Kavihi, come. The poet praise a hero, Veeram, Ashlagata. And what did the hero do? Veeraha Jayati. Ajayat. The poet praised the hero conquering the enemies. So the hero conquered the enemies, that the poet. So Veeraha, I use Shatra, I mean past Langlakara. Veeraha Shatrum Ajayat. Jita, or you can say Jita. And similarly here also, Shlagitavan. It's your choice. Shlagitavan or Shamsitavan. So our choice. These two sentences not be joined. Right? Anybody can use. So main is Kavihi Veeram Shlagitavan. Or Ashlagata, let us take one. One is Tavatu, other one is Langlakara. Main Kriya. Shlagitavan, verbal derivative. Veeraha, that is Kavihi Veeram Ashlagata. And what did the hero do? Shatrum. So, therefore here it become Shatrum Jayan. Shatrum Jayan Veeram Kavihi Ashlagata Ashlagitavan. Understand? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, Guruji.
Kavihi Veeram Ashlagata Ashlagitavan. Jayan Veeram Shatrum Jayan Veeram Kavihi Ashlagata Ashlagitavan. Karmani would be.
Jayantam.
Sorry, not Jayan. That's what I think. Something is wrong. Jayanta, not Jayan. Jayantam Veeram, Shamitam. The Karmani would be Ashlagata becomes Ashlagyata. Ashlagyata or Shlagita. Shlagitaha. Kaha Shlagitaha. Veeraha Shlagitaha. By whom? By Kavina. So here Jayan. Shatrum Jayan Veeraha. Ashlagata Shlagitaha. Now here what happened to this karma, Shatru? Now here you must not have doubt, Raja. Shatru is Pukaranta Shabda, Pullinga Shabda, Guru Shabdavat, Guru. Here it is karma. Now Karmani Prayaga when we do, will it become Pratama Vibhakti? Tell, will it be proper? It is not Karmani at all. Here Jayan is Shatru. Veeraha is in Pratama Vibhakti, in keeping with the main Kriya. Ashlagyata. Here only karmani. This is karmani. Pratyaya is there. So karta in, sorry, karma in pratama vibhakti. Karma is abhigita. Abhigita karma, therefore pratama. In keeping with that, its adjective, the qualifier, that also in pratama. Jayan viraha. But what about Shatru? In karmani, karma will be in pratama. What about the karma of here? Will it also become pratama? No. This is a karma for Jayan. That will remain as it is. It will not undergo any change. The same logic only. Kavina Shatrum Jayan Viraha Ashlagyata. Ashlagitaha. Understand? Yes or no?
Yes, good.
So same way. Right? Then the poet praise a hero. What is that? Future tense we cannot do. Or we have to change the sentence. The poet will praise a hero. But this is not in the present of the poet will praise a hero who will conquer the enemies. Praise a hero conquering enemies, of course, it is understood. Okay, the same sentence, what we did here. Suppose if it is, this is Bhute, Vartamana, it would be Ashlagata will become Shlagate, right? Just using Lagate. Tavadu cannot be used. Tavihi Shatrum, this is Vartamane. Vartamane, it will be Tavihi Shatrum Jayantam Viram Shlagate. Karmani would be Shlagyate. Tavihi Shatrum Kavina Shatrum Jayan Viraha Shlagyate. Okay. Now, what we are doing is next is future tense. I'm just making same thing here. Tavihi Shlagate will become future tense. Shlagdatu. Vadigana. First conjugation. Shlagishyate. I think the dhatu must be said dhatu. I think so. The said dhatu. Therefore, shlagishyate become. Shlagishyate. It is Atmanepada. Therefore, shlagishyate. Tavihi shlagishyate. Karmani also the form will be the same because as Atmanepade dhatu, Sate will come. The form will look same. Kavihi Shatrum Jayantam Viram. Jayantam also, if you make it into your future tense. Jayantam, what is the future tense of Jayantam? Ji dhatu. Ji dhatu is Anid dhatu. Ji Jaye. So G plus Ya plus T. What will be the form? G will become J. Guna will happen, right? Then after that, J, then Shati will become Shati. And Shatra will be Jeshyat, the Jeshan. Kavihi Shatrum Jeshan Viram Shlagishyate. Will be like that. And Karmani would be Kavina Shlagishyate. Kriya Padam is, looks same, but it is, this is Kartari, this is Karmani. Kavina Shlagishyate. Kaha Viraha. Kidrishaha Viraha. Here all we have to Jeshyantam here also. Okay. Here become Jeshan. Jeshan Viraha. Shatrum Jeshan Viraha Shlagishyate. Jena Kavina. Understand? Any doubts? Sitting on the trees, the bird eats fruits. So the birds eat fruits. Kriya Padam. Kadati, Bhakshayati. Anything else is there? Atti, if you know Atti, or Ashnati, so many other. But Ashnati and all, no, Shnadhatu, ninth conjugation, Karmani, which you should know what the form. But I'm just giving all this eating. Any kriya we can, any word we can use, verb, if you know. So let us use a simple one. Kadati. Or atti, for example. Atti you can use. Atti we have not used. Kadati already we have done. Kadati, kadyate, kadishyate. Bhakshyate will become 10th conjugation. What will be the karmani form? Bhakshyate, right? Karmani form will be bhakshyate. Future tense would be bhakshayishyati. Bhakshayishyate, right? In karmani bhakshayishyate. Understand? So that is also simple. So we can leave that out. So bhakshayati, kadati already we know. We have done before. So now let us take atti. Atti or ashnati. Birds eat fruits. So birds, so atti will become, atti is ekavachanam. Atti, attaha, adanti. Dhatu is adadhatu. Ad, bhakshane. At plus tip pratyaya, second conjugation. Shap will come, shap will become look. Therefore, ad plus tip. Then after that we can do karicha atti. Chattu sandhi, right? Now, here, Bhagavachanam, atti, ad plus anti will become just a join. You get adanti, right? Atti, attaha, adanti. Now, ke adanti, you understand what I'm saying? You follow.
Yes.
Ad plus tip pratyaya is atti. Bhagavachanam is adanti. Right? Now, question is, okay, atti plus, what about dvivachanam? Atti, then dvivachanam, what is the pratyaya? Tas pratyaya. Same thing. Attaha. Padanta sakara will become visargaha. Attaha. So what is the form? Atti, attaha, adanti. And Madhyama Purusha will be atsi. Attaha, atta. Admi, advaha, admaha. Okay. Try to use different kriya padam. So adidhat. In future tense will be a more interesting. It is anidhat. Atsyati it will be. Okay, that we will see. Now, ke adanti. Answer. Ke adanti. Exercise for you, not for me. I will do all myself. Ke adanti.
Akshaya.
Pakshi.
Pakshi?
Pakshihi.
No. Kagaha it is not kagaha. Bhagavachanam. Or pakshinaha is fine. Not pakshi. Paksha means feathers. Pakshaha asya asti iti pakshin nakaranta shabda. So paksha meaning feathers. Pakshaha asya asti iti pakshin. Like karaha asya asti iti karin. Pakshin nakaranta shabda. When you decline pakshi, pakshaha asya asti iti pakshin. Kata karaha asya asti iti karin. Understand? So kagaha or pakshinaha. Pakshi, pakshino. What is Bhagavachanam? Bhagavachanam is not pakshi. Pakshi, pakshino, pakshinaha. Ita kari, karino, karinaha. Pakshi, pakshino, pakshinaha. Understand? So this is pakshinaha. Pratama vibhakti Bhagavachanam. Pakshinaha kadanti. Kadanti. What? Karma is
Phalani.
phalani. Okay, fruits. This is one sentence. Then, and where do they sit?
Vruksheshu tishtanti.
Vritseshu.
Vriksheshu. You use saptami. Vriksheshu tishtanti. You can see tishtanti akarmaka dhatu. You can say Vriksham.
Hmm.
Vriksheshu is correct. Don't say vriksham. Vriksham tishtati means it will not sit on the tree. Sitting on the vriksheshu tishtanti. Ke is kahaha pakshinaha. Vriksheshu tishtanti. Te palani kadanti. I make like this. You see the sentence. Kahaha or pakshinaha, whatever it is. Vriksheshu tishtanti. Te palani kadanti. Now, Shatranta will be anyone is enough. I just take kahaha. Palani kadanti. Palani adanti. Ke kahaha. Kahaha palani. I remove this. Palani adanti. Kidrishaha kahaha.
तिष्ठन्तः
Tishtan, tishtanto, tishtantah.
तिष्ठन्तः
Tishtantaha kahaha palani kadanti. Adanti. Kutra vriksheshu. Karmani would be palani. It was karma here. And here it is becomes the subject. Karma is karma only. Here becomes pratama vibhakti. Palani. What will be the here? Karmani of adadatu.
अद्यन्ते
Adyate. Adyante. Adyate iti annam. That which is consumed is called annam. Adyate iti annam we say. Adyate bhujyate iti annam. Put. Kahaha will become Tavehi. Tavehi palani adyante. Kadyante. Ashnati, suppose if we use. That also is an Ashnati, ninth conjugation. Ashnati, Ashnitaha, Ashnanti, like Janati, Janitaha, Jananti. Ninth conjugation it is. Already I taught you, remember, I said in fact work on the ninth conjugation. You get how you get Ashtanti Rupam. Remember? Ashnati, Ashnitaha, Ashtanti. Ashdatu plus Shna plus tip. What is the form? Remember this? Ash plus Shna plus tip. You have Ashna plus tip, no Angakarya possible. Ashna, just to join. Here, Sarvadhatuka Pit Pratyaya, therefore Ashnati. Remember, ninth conjugation we saw. I taught many
Yes,
dhatus. I asked you to work on
Yeah.
that also. Ashna plus tas will become. This is Sarvadhatuka Pit Pratyaya. That na, that a will be replaced by e. Ashni.
Me.
Ashnitaha. Then Bhagavachanam it would be Ash plus Na plus Anti. Sarvadhatuka, but Ajadi Pratyaya. Therefore, what will happen? When Ajadi Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows, Akara of Shna will become Lopaha. Therefore, Ash. Then Nanti. You get. That is what is the Ashnanti. Okay. Understand? So therefore here Ashnanti. Karmani would be Ash plus Yak plus Ante. Therefore form would be Ashyante.
पश्यन्ति
Out of the Yak comes. Yak is by the Karmani Priyaha. That is the indication. It is Karmani Priyaha. Right? So Ashyate, Ashyate, Ashyante. Pararupasandhi. A plus A. Ashyante. Vruksheshu tishtantaha kahehi. Tishtantai. Tishtantaha. You have to change
तिष्ठद्भिः
it. Tishtadbihi. Vruksheshu tishtadbihi kahehi palani adyante ashyante. So the transfer. Okay. Now, future tense would be what? Sitting on the trees. The birds will eat fruit. That is, they will sit on the tree and they will eat fruits. So, Adanti, Adidatu, Kakaha Palani, Adishyanti. It is Adishyanti. Adidatu, Adidatoho, future tense. Lutrupam, it is, sorry, it is, I said it is Anidatu. Therefore, it is Adda plus Syati. So Anidatu, no Itagama. But Karicha will apply, therefore Adda, therefore you will have Atsyati. That will say Atsyati. Atsyanti, Bhagavachan. Kahaha Palani Atsyanti. Okay. Similarly here, Ashdatu. Ashdatu also, which is ninth conjugation, that is also, that is Sed Dhatu. Okay. Therefore, here plus Sed Dhatu, but what is that? Yeah. This Sed Dhatu. In future tense, it will be, yeah, it is Sed Dhatu. Yeah. Therefore, here you get Itagma, therefore, Shya, Shyati, then Ashishyati. You have to check the dhatu said around in that list. Karanta dhatu, whether it is anit or not. I think we saw the list also. It is a said dhatu. Ashishyati. Ashishyanti. Bhagavachana. So we have to say kakaha ashishyanti. Palani ashishyanti. Vriksheshu. Here it will become future tense. Stas. Stasyantaha. Stasyan, stasyanto, stasyantaha. Right? Vriksheshu stasyantaha kakaha palani atsyanti or ashishyanti. Karmani would be Kriyapadam, here only will change. Atsyate. Karmani, okay. Atsyante only. Because karma is Bhagavachanam. Similarly, here also it will become Ashishyante. It is Bhagavachanam only. Palani Atsyante Ashishyante. Kaihi Kadaihi. Here also it will become Stasyadbihi Kadaihi Palani Atsyante. Next sentence. The mendicants see the servants. See, translations we should do a lot. Then only language will develop. I remember when I was in the Ramakrishna Math, the principal of the college will come. He was teaching us Saṃskṛtam, but not grammar and all, but language. He will give only translations. Or only translation for classes of the classes. He says the language can be developed by translation because we need to reorient ourselves in thinking in that language of Saṃskṛtam. Because we think in English, that slowly that samskara should happen. So for that translation, that is why we do translation. Every book, if you see, you have translations. So you know how the sentences are constructed, how the sentences should be thought of also. Construction of sentence, how to begin, then slowly you will have how to form a sentence and Saṃskṛtam in the mind, and so quickly it becomes spontaneous, then becomes fluent. It's a matter of practice. The mendicants see the servants carrying the burden. So here, main karta is
Servants.
no. Mendicants see the servants carrying the burden. So okay, let us make it a two sentence now. Servants carry the burden. Carry is what dhatu? Quickly.
Bhaganti.
Bhaganti Bhagavachanam. Ke Sevakaha. What? Kim Bhaganti?
Bharam.
Come on, quickly you say. Sevakaha Bharam Bhaganti, right? The mendicants see them.
Pashyanti.
Pashyanti. First years we should say Pashyanti, right? Ke Pashyanti.
Bhikshavaha.
Yes. Ke Pashyanti, mendicants. Mendicants is means nomads, right?
Beggars. No?
Beggars also, or the one who, yeah, beggars, you can take beggars. Okay. Parivrajaka, that's what I was talking. Okay. The one
I
who
think
moves.
that is, yeah, that is what,
Parivrajaka.
yeah.
Good. That is better, no? Beggars also you can say, I think, no? Parivrajaka is Parivrajakaha. Parivrajakaha, Tan, we can see them, see the servants.
Mm.
Just I'm adding Tan. You can remove it, Tan is not required, it's understood. Right? So, Mukhya Kriya is mendicant see. Again, now your Vivaksha. But here we take the Vivaksha to be the mendicants see. So, what will happen? Pashyanti. Ke Pashyanti. Parivrajakaha Pashyanti. Right?
Taram Vahantah Sevakaha.
Yes. So, Parivrajakaha, Tan is there, can replace Tan by Sevakan. Pashyanti. Kidrishaha. Kidrishaha Sevakaha. Bharam is Bharam, Dvitya Vibhakti only. Then Vahanto, Vahantaha, Vahantam, Vahanto, Vahataha. So Parivrajakaha, Bharam, Vahataha, Sevakan, Pashyanti. Understand sentence? This is Kartari. Same Kartari, future tense would be Pashyanti will become
Drishyat.
Drakshanti. Drakshanti. Ke Parivrajakaha. Sevakan, Drakshanti. And Sevaka, who will be carrying? This is interesting. Vagdatoho, future tense would be what? Vagdatu Samprasarana Dhat. That's fine. That is when Pratyaya
Pushyate.
follows.
Uyate.
No. I'm saying Vagdatu is Samprasarana Dhatu that will undergo Samprasaranam only when Kit Pratyaya follows. Here, Sya follows. Sya is not Krit. Dhatu is Anit Dhatu. That's why I said it's interesting. Anit Dhatu. Vag plus Sya plus Ti. What will happen? Akara followed by
Dhakara will have.
Akara followed by Sakara. Vag plus Sya. Dhatu is Anit Dhatu. So therefore, what will happen? We have to know the Sandhi. Vak plus Yati. Vakarasya Kimbhavati. Yeah. Can we apply? Odaha Dattvam. Remember? Dattvam. Apply. Then Dakara followed by Sakara. We apply Kutvam. Shadoho Kahasi. The Sutra. Shakara, Dakara, when followed by Sakara, it will be replaced by Kakara. Then after that, we do Shatvam. Then finally, form will become Vakshyati. But you see, Vakshyati, form is Vakshyati. Vachdhatu also will become Vakshyati. So, depending on the context, right? Vachdhatu, what will be the Vachdhatu? Vach plus Ya plus Ti. Vachdhatu, that also Yat Chogokuku will apply, right? By Kuttam, it will become Kakara. Then Shatvam. Then what you have? Here also Vakshyati. So Vakshyati, he will tell. Vakshyati, he will carry. Both meanings are possible. Suppose dhatus are different. Depending on the context, we need to take. Here it is not Vakshyati, means to tell. It is Vagati. Understand? You can note. The form is same for Vachdhatu also. Vachdhatoho, I'm writing. Vachdhatoho, Rit Rupam. Vakshyati. And Vagdhatoho api. Vagdhatoho api Tadeva Rupam. Same form for Vagdhatu also. Understand? So depending on the context, you take the form. You take the dhatu. Understand? Then karmani would be the mendicants carrying the burden. I'm just making the same thing, but translation. The mendicants will see servants who will be carrying the burden. Pashyanti will become. Oh, sorry. Here
Rakshyanti.
already I've done. Yeah. So this should come here. Karma. Okay. Instead of karmani, I've done this. So I should do karmani there. Future tense I have done. Karmani here would be. Pashyanti will become. Here I have not done karmani. I've done future. Pashyanti. Drishyante. Right? So it says drishyante. What drishyante? What is the object of sevakaha? And who is the seer? Parivraja Kaihi.
Parivrajataihi.
Sevakaha is drishyante, and here it will become
Varam
Bharam
Vahantaha.
Vakshanto Vakshantaha. Parivraja Kaihi Bharam Vakshantaha Sevakaha drishyante. Right? Sevakas will be are seen. This is present tense only. Okay. This is not Vakshantaha, sorry. This also, we have to Vakantaha. I'm doing let only karmani. Right? I'm doing let. So, Parivrajakaha bharam bhagataha sevakan pashyanti. Parivrajakaihi drishyante ke sevakaha kidrishaha sevakaha bhagantaha kim bhagantaha bharam bhagantaha. Bhagataha is Dvitiya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. Bhagantaha Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. Dvitiya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam in keeping with the karma of the sentence. Kartari Prayoga. In Karmani Prayoga, they become the subject. They become Pratama, not subject. They become Pratama Vibhakti, therefore Bhagantaha. Understand? Now future tense would be Bharam Lakshyan Taha. Lakshanti just Kriyapadam. Parivrajakaha Bharam Vakshanto Vakshataha. Sorry. Parivrajakaha Bharam Vakshataha Sevakan Drakshanti. In Karmani it will become future Karmani. It will become
Rakshyanti.
Parivrajakaihi, the Karta in Tritiya. Parivrajakaihi Sevakaha Drakshante. Right? Kidrishaha Sevakaha. Now here it will become Kidrishaha Vakshantaha Sevakaha Bharam Vakshantaha Sevakaha Parivrajakaihi Drakshante. Follow. Is it clear? You tell. I spoke to the man who was going to the village. It's okay. This is the sentence itself is in past tense, but present present participle. That is, in the past, the action was happening. So I spoke to the man. We can directly do, not like this. Directly we can do to the translation. I spoke to the man who was going to the village.
Naram
Naraha Vadami.
First to start with the Kriya Padam. Don't say aham.
Vadami.
Not vadami, spoke.
Pravadam.
If you don't remember
Uktavan.
Kriya Padam,
Vavatam.
or you can say equivalent
Uktavan.
Ukta Pratyaya. Uktavan. Or you can say Uktavan. Uktavan, Uditavan, whatever it is. Aham, Avadam. Avadam is Vadadhatu. Uktavan is
Vachidat.
Vachidhatu. So what will be the Vadadhatoho? Sorry, Vachidhatoho. Uttama Purusha, Ekavachanam. It will be, what is the
Avachan.
form? Not Avachan. Vachidhatu. the form would become dhatu is vacha, right? The dhatu is bru dhatu. Bru dhatu will become braviti, or vach dhatu itself is there. But vach dhatu in Atmanepada, it will become bru. Bru will be replaced by vach in Atmanepada. Okay. Vach dhatu itself we take. Vach dhatu is second conjugation. Yes. Vach dhatu, if you take vach dhatu, I write here. Vach dhatu, second conjugation. What conjugation if you know? If you know it, then you get it. Vach plus tet. Shat comes and shat becomes, look, you get bhakti. Kuttam happens. Simple. Suppose if it is myth, then what will happen? Ritam vachmi, satyam vachmi, avatvam vachmi. Right? Understand? This is present tense. What about past tense? Langlakara would be vach. Then attagama will come, and here it is attagama, vach plus avacham. Understand? Avacham. So avadam or avacham, uktavan is participle of vach, and uditavan is participle of vad. Anyone you can use, or any other thing. Okay, you may ask, why not brew? Why not brew? You can use brew dhatu. Brew is also to tell. Like yattayam vachi, braviti. But the problem is brew dhatu is not problem. It is, you have got two forms. Brew dhatu. Brew dhatu. In Latlakara, you have one more form. Aha. For the first five forms, there will be equivalent lit pratyaya rupam will come. Aha. See. Aha. Ahatuhu. Aguhu. This aha and all we would have seen in Bhashyam so many times. Acharya aha. Aha means it says. You can take aha is says. Even in aha, the word aha, aha is says. It is present tense. You can take it. It is present tense. Aha. Brudhatuhu rupam actually. Aha. Aha. Agatuhu aguhu. Similarly, artha. Aha. Ahatuhu. Aha. Ahatu. Only it is five forms. These five are extra. By different sutra. So these five for brudhatu. But brudhatu itself has form braviti. I'm just writing the present tense. Braviti. How it becomes not required now. We'll see that later. Brutaha. Bhaviti brutaha. Then bruvanti. Bruvanti we know. That is uvang. Uvang adesha. Similarly, bravishi brutaha. Brutha. Bravimi. Bruvaha. The form will be like that. Now, lang lakara rupam of that. We are interested in lang lakara. Lang lakara rupam will be abravit. Abravit also we have seen many places. Abravit. Aha is present tense. Abravita. Abruta. Yes, pratyaya is takara, tam, an. Similarly, here also it becomes abruvan. Takara, tam, an. Then sakara, tam, ta. So here it becomes sakara, abravihi. Abravihi, abrutam, abruta. Now we are interested in Uttama Purusha. Uttama Purusha will become Pratyaya is Pratyaya is Yeah, the dhatu is bru. Bru plus what will happen? Varnanta dhatu followed by Ajadi Pratyaya. Who will be replaced by
Oh.
Who will be replaced by what will happen? What will happen? Gunakarya. Bro will become brow. Then do just melanam. Abravam. That is what abravam. Another form is Abravam. This is Bru plus Bru Dhatu, Attagama. So here, sorry, I'm writing somewhere. So Attagama plus Dhatu is Bru Dhatu plus Pratyaya comes and goes away, and here Pratyaya. Am is a Nip Pratyaya. Sarvadhatuka Pit Pratyaya. So for Angakarya will happen. O will become O. O will be Ayadi Sandhi, Bakara plus Vam. Here we cannot apply that Uvang. Uvang will come only when a Angakarya is not possible. Angakarya, when it is not possible, when it is followed by Apit Pratyaya. So here it has Uvang has happened. You remember Uvang we discussed in the beginning. You hope you remember. So here Attagama, Dhatu is Dhru Dhatu, Pratyaya is and what type of Pratyaya? Sarvadhatuka Apit Pratyaya. Angakarya not possible. If Angakarya is possible, then like here, we must have done that. Now, U plus N. Shall we do Yen Sandhi? No. As an Apavada to Yen Sandhi, we have this Uvangadish. When Ukaranta, Uvarnanta Dhatu followed by Ajadi Pratyaya, and Angakarya is not possible, it means it followed by a Kit Pratyaya, then what we do? We replace U by Uvang. Uv. Then Vakara plus N, 1. Therefore, Abravan, simple. Abravit. And here it is simple. Bru plus Tam, just add. Nothing happens because Kit Pratyaya. Abrutam, Abrutam. Right? Here also the Pratyaya is Ihi. See, it is Bru plus Ihi. What will happen? This will be replaced by Abrav, then Abravihi. Understand? And here it is Abravita. Bru plus, that is, there we have Bru plus Shap plus Tip. Shap comes and Shap goes away. Right? It's a 4. But Bru will become followed by what Pratyaya? Here, Bru plus followed by Tip Pratyaya. Tip is in Sarvadhatuka with Pratyaya. Therefore, what will happen? Bru will become Bro. Right? Bru will become Bro. Then followed by, then here there is a special rule is for Tip Pratyaya, Bruvaha eat. On E will come. Therefore, Ayadi Sandhi will happen. This is something special for this Dhatu. So therefore, you get Bhaviti. The same thing here also. Here also, Takara Taman, Sakara. Here also one specific E comes. That's why you get Abraviti. Anyway, so that is a special rule. Bruvaha eat. That is not required. Now, this Uttama Purusha Ekavachanam, that is simple. We can appreciate that. Other forms we may not be able to. Not all the forms. I mean, this one and this one. Prathama Ekavachanam, Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam, Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam. One extra rule is that we don't know what it is. By that, E comes. Therefore, you get this form. Other forms are easily derivable. What you know, you can easily derive it. Abrutam, Abruvan, Abrutam, Abruta, and near Uttama Purusha Ekavachanam also. Uvangadesha Abruvam. Therefore, that is Abruvam. It's another form. Okay. Therefore, that is fine. Abruvam. All these are extra. I'm not expecting you to know everything, but you can appreciate how these forms comes. If you understand, it is fine. Avacham. Now, I spoke to the man. So, whichever you want, you take. Select. Aham. Which one you want to take? Take anyone or all, whatever it is.
Abravam.
Abravam. Okay. Aham Abravam. Fine. To whom?
Naram.
Aham Naram Abravam. Kidrishaha Naraha. Kidrisham Naram.
Gramam Gachan Naram.
Yeah,
Gachan.
Ramam
Gachan Naram.
Naram Abhavam. Abravam. Right?
Gachantam.
sorry, gachantam. Ramam gachantam naram aham abravam. Karmani would be Bru dhatu plus yak plus te. You must tell this. What will happen? Bru plus yak plus te. Because we have seen in Karmani ta yat ta.
Abruyate.
Abhruyati.
Karmani would be followed by yak. Yak is a sarvadhatuka, sorry, adadhatuka pratyaya. When adadhatuka pratyaya follows, Bru will be replaced by which? Remember? You have seen. Adesha. This is all, dhatu adesha. Bru will be replaced by Vaj. As will be replaced by Bu. Remember? As dhatu will be replaced by Bu. Same way here also. So now when it is replaced by Vaj, very simple. It will undergo Saṃskṛtam. Va will become
Uchit.
Uch. Uchyata. It becomes Uchyata, right? Uchyate, Uchyate, Uchyante. In Latlakara. In Lang Lakara, it would be Atagama comes. Therefore, A plus U. When A comes, no. Because Dhatu is now Ajadi. Therefore, not A. If it is A, you will have Guna only. Therefore, here, what? Atagama will come. Then A plus U will be Vriddhi. Atascha Vriddhi, right? Auchyata. This also we saw. Forgotten. Once Saṃskṛtam is done, becomes Ajadi Dhatu. Ajadi Dhatu, Atagamaha Bhavati. Like it, Aichata, we have right form, Aichata. Same. Aichati Ishdhatu Rupam. Ishdhatu become, Ishdhatu is Ichati, right? Ishdhatu Ichati. Atagama, A plus E, I. Then Pratyaya is Takara. Aichata. Aichata, Ichatam, Aichanna. Similarly, Auchyata. Auchyata, Auchyeta, Auchyanta Rupam. Aham, okay. Here it is Aham Auchyata Pratham Purusha. Because Naraha. Kena Maya.
Maya.
Maya Naraha Gachan Naraha. Gramam Gachan Naraha Auchyata. Right? This is Karmani Prayoga. I will speak to the man who will be going to the village. So that would be, okay, if it is Abramam, what about Abramam, Abadam, Avacham, Uditavan, Uttavan? Now Karmani would be, if you use Avadam, Vadadhatu. Vadadhatu also will undergo Saṃskṛtam. Karmani. The form would become
Udyat.
Udyate, Udyante, Audyata. Karmani would be, sorry, Lang Lakara would be Audyata. Same process only. Audyata. And Vach Dhatu will become, Vach is a Dhatu. Vach plus, Yak plus, Te. Vach will undergo Saṃskṛtam. Therefore, you will have same form. Auchyata only you will have. I'm not writing the same form. Or you want to write, okay. I'll make it this because it is same. This is for Auchyata. Vach Dhatu. This form. Uditavan, Uttavan. That become Naraha, Uditaha, Uttaha. I think we know it. Uttaha, Uditaha, Uttaha. Okay. Then next one. Future tense would be, I will speak to the man. I will speak to the man who will be going to the village. So I will speak.
Vadishyam.
Yeah, Bru Dhatu. Yeah, Bru Dhatu. It is Bravishyami, Bru plus Sya plus me. So what will happen? Bru plus Sya. Dhatu is said Dhatu. Therefore, Bravishyami. Think Bru plus Sya plus me. And this is Adha Dhatuka Pratyaya. How will you get Bravishyami? Bru will be replaced by Vach.
Vach.
Same logic, what we did before. Karmani we have replaced by vach. Same thing here also. When adu dhatu ka pratyaya, it will happen. Once here becomes vach. Therefore, vakshyami. Not bhavishyami. And vadadatu, this is brudatu. Then vadadatu. Vad plus, yeah, plus me, shyami. Okay. Vad plus shyami. Vadadatu also is a samprasarana dhatu. Vadadatu. Therefore, that vadadatu form will become vadishyati. Samprasarana dhatu, but anyway, here it is ik, not that. Therefore, itagama is not a ik. Therefore, that's a samprasarana will not happen. Vadishyami. Vadishyami is vadishyami. Please understand, vadishyami. If it's samprasarana, then become ud, like audyata. But here it is not a ik pratyaya, it is therefore vadishyami and said that. Then vachdatu, again, vachdatu will become akshyami. We cannot use these forms. Okay. So gramam, gachantam become gamishyantam. Gamishyantam naram aham vakshyami. Karmani would be maya. I'm just making maya. Gramam, naram will become naraha. Kidrishanaha, gamishan naraha. Now this will become vakshyami. Vakshtatu, future tense, vakshyate. Vadishyate. Here also vakshyate. Understand? Is it clear?
Yes, Guruji.
Okay, we'll stop here. So if you have, please try. We have got a lot of these exercises. You try, spend some time doing translation by yourself. Okay, so we'll stop here. Think about this. So once the translation is done, means not it is over. See, I've given so many forms. This is why I've given only limited. So Vyaktayam Vachi Dhatu, there's so many dhatus. Any other dhatu is a Dhru dhatu, I remember. Vatu dhatu, Vach dhatu. Even Gad dhatu also is a Gadati, Gadataha, Gadanti. If you see dhatu kosha, you know how to refer it. That Gada also is Vyaktayam Vachi. So what will be if it is Gada dhatu? Agadam. Agadam means I spoke, I told. Gada dhatu. And that is a said dhatu. So accordingly it will happen, whatever it is. So agadata, agadatam, agadanna, agadaha, agadatam, agadata, agadam, agadava, agadama, gadishyati, gadishtaha, gadishyanti, agam, gadishyami. So like that will happen. Okay. So I remember this dhatu, gad. Any other dhatu, vipcha, yambachi. So we can use all this. Okay. Please try this home. If you try homework, send it to the group. If you have right in your hand, we can discuss. Otherwise, I will be doing in the class. I will be watching. I will, for me, the language is developed. But what about you? Please do. Come prepare at least 10 sentences. So in a class, we cannot do more than that because we are discussing so many other details. So now 36 is there. You start from 37. I've got the notes, then 37 up to 50. Right.
Yeah.
37 up to 45 only is there. Okay, you do it. Other thing we can do. This is simple. The translation will be simple. Already Saṃskṛtam is there. We have to just translate it to English, but we will do something else also. We'll change the prayoga. Okay, we'll stop. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawad Guruji.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
Guruji, the Chennai plan got cancelled.
Huh? What is
Yeah,
it?
Chennai plan is cancelled.